So we're bringing in Bob Anthony to talk about the forecast, and we're still dealing with the smoke.
Yes, we are. But despite the smoke, special events keep going on, like the Call of the Night Rodeo that began yesterday, and the Western Idaho Fair. Guess what? That kicks off on Friday, along with kids going back to school. I think that's just wrong. No kids should go back to school until the end of the fair, I think. That's the way, in Bob's world, that's the way things would be done. But yeah, some kids going back to school have already gone back to school already. Anyway, for the fair, we're looking at smoky, breezy conditions on Friday, but our air quality hopefully will improve by Saturday when we'll see some windy conditions, cooler temperatures. Saturday looks awesome at the fair. And Sunday, a high of 93, 94 on Monday with sunny to mostly sunny skies each and every day. Here's our weather headlines. Smoky again today. 2 more days with temperatures in the 90s, so it's going to be warm again for at least a couple days. Then some cooler temps coming our way on Friday and Saturday. Of course, the big story is our air quality issues all across the Pacific Northwest, including southwestern Idaho. Once again, air quality in the orange category, unhealthy for sensitive groups. 64 degrees is our current temperature, not much of a wind at 7 miles per hour and humidity at 41%. And our temperatures, 46 degrees in McCall, 35 in Stanley, so they've bumped out a few degrees. They might actually make it to freezing just before sunrise. That's when we see our coolest temperatures. 64 degrees in Boise. It's 59 in Ontario. Twin Falls at 56 at this hour. For this Wednesday, August the 19th, we're forecasting 90 and 60, and they're only 1 degree on both counts off that normal mark, which is 89 and 59, and the record high, 105. It's possible we might have seen the last of our string of triple-digit days. On the average, our temperatures get cooler from here on out. Some showers a possibility on the other side of the jet stream, but our story is this stagnant air, courtesy of that high-pressure ridge just off the northwest coast. That's not going anywhere. It's a stagnant weather pattern. Also, we have a nice dry slot. We have a little bit of moisture pushing into northern California and some moisture farther to the north in British Columbia. Well, up there in British Columbia, that will be the track that a disturbance moves by, just basically catches our northern Idaho panhandle with some clouds initially, then the possibility of maybe a little bit of rain. That's about it. Maybe some isolated showers for the east central mountains. That's Friday in the evening hours. But the big effect on us will be some cooler temperatures. Also, the winds will be picking up a little bit. They'll be pretty light over the next few days, though, with that stagnant weather pattern. But as that disturbance moves by the north, the winds will start cranking up a bit as we head into Friday. There's Friday evening, probably our strongest winds in the areas where you see the yellow, and anywhere from 10 to 20, might see some gusts in the 30-mile-per-hour range. Here's our regional forecast. In the meantime, sunny with smoke for Twin Falls, a high of 87. For Sun Valley, just transverse that to 78, sunny with smoke. For the Long Valley, daytime highs close to 81 in both McCall and Cascade, about 10 degrees warmer in Riggins and Council. Western end of the valley looking at highs in the lower 90s, pretty close to 90 degrees for Canyon County. And for Boise, a high of 90. Idaho City, a little bit cooler because of the elevation. You'll see 87, but still smoky there. So a couple days in the 90s, then we start to cool down a bit on Friday. You'll probably notice that drop in temperature. That's about a 5-degree temperature drop from Thursday into Friday. And then a little bit cooler still on Saturday. Saturday looking pretty nice. Nice refreshing breeze. Hopefully it will vent some of the smoke. A little bit warmer Sunday and Monday. That's legal weather.